Ukrainian dance move Tynok comes from the word tyn, which translates to wattle in English. The move is called Tynok because it resembles jumping over a wattle fence. Step 1. Prepare your right leg for the round. On 1, make a half round. On 2, step onto your half toe with the back leg. On 3, step onto your half toe with the front leg. On 4, use your back leg and prepare to open your front leg for a round. Then repeat all steps, starting with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2. Arms. Preparation position. Open your arms to the first position. Imagine you are holding a big ball. 2. Open your arms to the second position. 3. Let's return to the first position. 4. Return to the preparation position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3. Let's combine step 1 and step 2 together. Legs and arms. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.